So just on behalf of MCC, which is the Muslim Community Center of the East Bay, we want to welcome the Pleasanton Police Department. And here we have John Chin and Matt Castillo. Just to introduce us to you, we're a faith-based community, not unlike those I'm sure you serve also, the Christian community, the Jewish community, who the Quran actually calls the people of the book. The Quran also says, which is interesting, O humanity, indeed we created you from male and female, and we made you nations and tribes and people so that you get to know one another. Right? So that has to do with communities, and it's all trying to get to understand who we are as human beings. By the way, you're usually the ones I'm afraid of. Just so you know, tickets, you're not, anyhow. I haven't had a ticket, not today, so. Today, we just want to thank you for what you do. And I think everybody here should recognize behind every police officer is a family, right? And although we think of it as really interactions because it's tickets, their job can be dangerous, and their lives, and obviously their family is impacted. Their lives are at risk also. So it's a very high maqam for us as station in life. It's a very high maqam to be providing safety to us. Without that, we can't pray. So fundamentally, if you don't have safety, you don't pray, right? So in that tradition, there's a saying from our Prophet ﷺ. He said, those who do not thank people have not thanked God. So with that, we want to thank you. Please, we're going to thank you the way we typically do it, which is what you see in TV and stuff, and say, oh my God, what are those guys doing? But I'll explain what we say. Where is, by the way, Atif? Where are you? Atif. We're going to, yes. Go ahead. Takbir. Okay. Go ahead. Takbir. Takbir. Akbar. He used our AI three-dimensional agent that's there. Allahu Akbar, by the way, just means God is greatest. So no matter what the situation is, what situation you're in, whether easy or hard, you're recognizing God's presence. Right? That's what you see on TV. So with that, we have a little... I'm going to give this to them. It says, in appreciation, this award is given to Pleasanton PD for outstanding service and dedication to the community. March 2026. Okay.